In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Beats Solo Buds to your PC computer. It's very easy, can be done in only a few minutes, so let's get started. First step is to put them into pairing mode, and to do this, make sure they are inserted into the case, and then we need to press the button above the Beats logo, either on the left side or the right side, it does not matter. We need to keep it pressed 3 seconds until you hear a beep sound. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Then you can release that button when you hear the beep. And now it's time to leave the case in the open position, set it aside, and on your Windows computer, we're gonna go into the Start settings over here, lower left side. Then you're gonna go into the Settings menu, select Devices, select on the left side Bluetooth and other devices, press the plus sign that is right above, and then select Bluetooth, the first option in this list. Then you should have your Beats Solo Buds appearing in this list. Mine are over here. They have a name in front of them because they have already been paired with another device. Select them. And now you have to wait just a few seconds until they are connected. You hear a noise coming out of them. It means they are connected and you are good to go. You can press done and start using them right away to listen to your music or movies on your PC computer. When time comes to disconnect them for good, let's say you don't want them anymore, you want to resell them, you can remove them from your PC by simply going in the same menu settings, but this time we need to go down, and here are all the list of all the devices that are connected to your computer. You're going to find them in this list. Mine are over here. Click on them and click Remove Device. Press yes, and they will be gone from your PC. This is only when you are sure that you won't use them anymore with your PC. Normally, after pairing them, you can simply put them in the case and you don't have to disconnect them manually or remove them from your PC. After a while, next time you want to use them, open the case, put them in your ears, and they'll connect automatically with your PC. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.